Fashion begins with a spark, an idea brought to life on paper. This initial design sketch is more than just a drawing, it's a roadmap for the entire creative journey. It's where imagination takes shape and the essence of a garment is born. Every detail, from the flow of the fabric to the placement of a button, starts as a humble stroke on the page. Think of iconic designers like Coco Chanel or Alexander McQueen, their legacies built on groundbreaking sketches. These sketches weren't just pretty pictures, they were revolutions waiting to happen. Each line, each curve held the power to transform the way we see and wear clothes. The beauty of a design sketch lies in its fluidity. It allows for experimentation, for playing with different concepts and proportions before committing to a final design. It's a space where creativity knows no bounds. A simple sketch can evolve from a basic concept into a stunning masterpiece. As we delve deeper into the world of fashion design, remember that everything starts with that initial spark. That sketch is the foundation, the blueprint from which a garment will ultimately emerge. Never underestimate the power of a well-executed design. The silhouette is the very essence of a garment, the outline that defines its shape and form. It's the first thing people notice, the element that creates a lasting impression. From the sleek lines of a mermaid gown to the relaxed fit of boyfriend jeans, each silhouette tells a story and evokes a different mood. A fitted silhouette, like a classic sheath dress, accentuates the curves of the body, creating a sense of elegance and sophistication. It's a timeless choice for formal occasions or for making a statement in the workplace. On the other hand, a flowing silhouette, such as an empire waist dress or a wide-leg jumpsuit, offers comfort and movement. This style is perfect for casual outings or for those who prefer a more bohemian aesthetic. Don't underestimate the power of understanding different silhouettes. Knowing how to choose the right one for your body type and the occasion is key to looking and feeling your best. Experiment with different shapes and styles to find what flatters you most and allows you to express your unique personality. Remember, the silhouette sets the stage for the entire design. It's the framework upon which fabric, embellishments, and other details will be layered. A well-chosen silhouette can make all the difference in creating a garment that is not only visually appealing, but also flattering and comfortable to wear. Fabric is the very essence of a garment, the material that brings a design to life. It's the way a fabric drapes, its texture, and its weight that can make or break a design. Choosing the right fabric is crucial in creating a garment that not only looks good, but also feels good to wear. Think about the difference between a crisp cotton shirt and a slinky silk blouse. Each fabric evokes a different feeling and is suited for different occasions. Cotton, known for its breathability and durability, is perfect for everyday wear. Silk, on the other hand, with its luxurious drape and sheen, is ideal for evening wear or special occasions. Then, there are fabrics like denim, a workwear staple that has transcended into everyday fashion. Its rugged texture and versatility make it a popular choice for jeans, jackets, and even dresses. Linen, with its relaxed drape and breathable nature, is perfect for warmer climates and adds an effortless chic to any outfit. Choosing the right fabric is only half the battle. Understanding how different fabrics behave is crucial. Some fabrics are more prone to wrinkling than others, while some require special care when cleaning. Embellishments are the jewelry of the fashion world, those little details that add a touch of sparkle, shine, and personality to a garment. They can transform a simple dress into a showstopper, or elevate a basic top to a statement piece. From delicate embroidery to bold sequins, the possibilities for embellishment are endless. One of the most classic embellishments is embroidery. This intricate art form involves stitching threads or beads onto fabric to create designs. Embroidery can range from delicate floral motifs to bold geometric patterns, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any garment. Then there are sequins, those shimmering discs that catch the light and add instant glamour. Sequins can be used sparingly as accents or cover an entire garment for a head-turning effect. They are perfect for evening wear, adding a touch of sparkle to cocktail dresses, gowns, and even shoes and accessories. Beads are another versatile embellishment that can add texture, color, and dimension to a garment. From tiny seed beads to large statement beads, there's a world of possibilities to explore. Beads can be sewn onto fabric individually or strung together to create fringes, tassels, and other eye-catching details.